So, ito na yung last natin na lulutuin, guys. Nilagay ko na lang. Ayun, oh. Ayun, oh. Oh, diba? Ang bilis ng brown. Ayun, oh. Ayun. Vegetables. Sobrang yummy, guys. Tapos, kakain ako ng rice. Yun. Luto na, guys. Lagay na natin dito. Next. Oh, lala. Oh, lala. Look at that. I-off na natin. Wow, look at that. Finished products. Luto na yating ano, guys. Luto ng ating omelette. Eggs. So, that's it. So, you know.